Hello everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today I want you to come along with me and cook lunch with me. What we'll be cooking today may be familiar to some of you. To some of you it may be new, but I tell you it's going to be very delicious. We'll be cooking yam with yam sauce. We'll be frying some plantains, so delicious, and we'll be making some fish in a very special way. So come along with me and let's do this together. So for today's recipe we'll be needing fish. I've already washed the fish, everything is clean, and I put lime. I wash it in lime water. If you don't have lime you can use lemon. Yam, some plantain, we'll be frying this. We need water, of course. We need salt. This is sunflower oil. We need some Maggi cubes, some sliced onion, green onions, sliced and diced yellow pepper, some carrots, some red pepper, long tomato, some paprika, spring onions, scorch bonnet. I have 2 of them, onions, garlic cloves, and ginger. The pepper, everything here, I'll be blending them. I want to pour the blended pepper and allow it to cook very well. You will notice that it's not 100% smooth. See, it's roughly blended, so allow it to cook. I've seasoned my fish lightly, so just with salt, and I cut it open at the sides. So what I'll be doing now, I'll just put them in the fryer. I'm not going to fry them with oil. I'll just put them in this air fryer. It's healthier and it's going to be done very fast. Now it's time to cut our yam, and I have water here, cold water. Once I peel it, I'll put it there. So beautiful. What we'll be doing to the yam is that we'll be cooking the yam. Putting it in water will not allow it to oxidize, but will not allow it to change color, to keep it and maintain the color. We are done with the peeling of the yam. Now it's time to peel and dice our plantain. Let's check our pepper. It's done. So I like it this way. So it has really reduced. I've added oil to my frying pan. Now I'll add some onion, pepper, carrots, red pepper, and some spring onion. Add this and some salt. We're done stir frying. Now what I will do is pick the pepper, our sauce is ready. So nice and delicious. So I decided to cut the yam like this so that it will cook easily and faster. So what I will do now is just put salt, cover it, and allow it to cook. Now we are ready to fry our plantain. Remember, we diced them. we're going to allow this to fry until they turn golden. I've taken some of the sauce out because what I'll be doing is that our fried plantain will be going in. So this is our fish that I grilled in the air fryer. See, so nice, no oil, nothing. So now I'll be stuffing it up. Just wish me luck. I'll be stuffing it up. This is yummy already, honestly. Very, very yummy already. Our yam is done. Our stuffed fish is ready. Our lunch is served. Let me give it a taste, the yam with the sauce. The plantain dodo. Have some. Don't forget that our fish is stuffed with the dodo inside, the plantain inside. Let me just tell you how it is. Pure heavenly. You see that when it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore. We have explored today and we know now that we can actually stuff our fish with dodo, fried plantain and sauce. Now it's time for me to go and enjoy my stuffed fish, yam and the sauce. And don't forget that the dodo, the fried plantain, is also inside the sauce. Now before we go, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you have not, leave your comment in the comment section, press the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.